Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Sara. I am hungry.
Me too.
What is for breakfast?
I want cookies for breakfast. Yes, cookies and soda. Perfect breakfast.
That sounds amazing.
No. Cookies are not breakfast.
But Mom, we like cookies.
I know, but your body needs real food in the morning.
Real food? Like what?
Like eggs, bread, milk, fruit.
That is boring, Mom.
Boring food makes a strong body.
Try it. Just one bite. Okay, fine.
This is actually good.
Really?
Yes. Try it, Ben.
Not bad.
See? A good breakfast gives you energy for the day.
Okay, Mom, you are right.
Sara and Ben come home from school. They are tired and hungry.
I am so tired. Me too. School was long today.
I need a snack now.
Me too. I am really hungry. Only fruits and vegetables again.
I want chips.
I want chocolate.
There are no chips today.
Why not, Mom?
Because we are eating healthy this week.
All week?
Yes, all week.
A banana.
I will take an orange.
Good choice.
Actually,
This banana is really sweet.
and this orange is so fresh.
Healthy food is not so bad.
I told you.
Hi, kids. How was school?
Good, Dad. We are eating healthy today.
Really? That is great news.
We had eggs for breakfast, too.
I am very proud of you both.
Dinner is ready. Come and sit.
What is for dinner, Mom?
Rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That smells really good.
I cooked it fresh today.
This is delicious, Linda.
Thank you, Mike.
Mom, why is healthy food important?
Good question, Ben.
Healthy food helps your brain.
Your brain?
Yes, it helps you think better at school.
Really? So healthy food helps me study?
Yes, and it helps you sleep better, too.
I did not know that. Me neither. That is so interesting.
When I was young, I ate a lot of junk food.
Really, Dad? Yes.
And I was always tired, always sick.
Then what happened?
I started eating healthy, and I felt much better.
Wow. So it really works.
Yes, it really works.
It really works. Mom, can we make a healthy food chart?
A chart? What a great idea!
Yes, we can write all the good foods and put it on the wall.
I love that idea.
We got the paper and the markers.
Fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk, rice, bread,
Water. Lots of water.
Yes. Water is the most important.
What about meat?
Yes, a little meat is good too.
And fish.
Yes, fish is very healthy. There we go, perfectly straight.
Wow, look at all the categories. Perfect. Our healthy food chart. Ooh. Now we will remember every day.
Good job, kids. I am very proud.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Time to sleep, kids.
Mom, today was a good day.
Yes, we learned a lot.
I am glad. Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, Mom.
And did you eat your fruits?
Yes. A banana and an orange.
Perfect. That makes me happy.
Mom, tomorrow can we make a healthy breakfast together?
Of course. We can make it together.
Yay!
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, Mom. Good night. Thank you for today.
Sweet dreams.
Ben, I feel good today.
Me too, Sarah. I feel strong.
Healthy food is really good.
Yes. Let's do it every day.
Every day. Promise. Promise.
Healthy eating starts at home. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Drink water. Not soda. Eat a good breakfast every morning.
Healthy food helps your body.
It helps your brain.
It helps you sleep.
It helps you grow strong. Small steps every day.
Make good choices.
Stay strong.
Stay healthy.
We promise to eat healthy.
We promise.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Why?